Hello everyone. So I have a question. This is from 2020 O level paper 3, number 1. It reads, create an interface for a program that accepts 10 positive integers using an input box. The program then finds the sum of the entered numbers. The results are displayed in a text box. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so just judging by the information we had, we need to know what we'll be looking in our tools box. So an input box is not in the tools box, it's sort of already there within the application. So we have to declare to show up. So we need a button start. Is we use this to start entering our digits. Then afterwards, when they have reached 10, we need somewhere to display the sum of all the 10 numbers. So that will be a label in the text box. Okay, so I'm going to name that text box text sum. Okay, so now let's get started with the code. Okay, I'm just going to declare my variables. A is the number, then sum as integers. Okay, sum is equal to 0. I just have to give sum an initial value. Okay, so since we're going to be entering 10 numbers, we need a looping. We need one of the looping structures so that we can keep looping. It's going to loop for 10 times so that we can exactly enter 10 numbers. Okay, so let's see which one is more preferable. Just pick the one which is easy for you to use. Okay, I'm just going to go for the do loop. Okay, so do. Oh no, I don't need do until I just need do. Okay, I just need do. So what I will be doing for 10 times. A is equals to input box brackets enter number. Okay, so that is where we'll be getting our value of A. Then with this do loop structure, you have to also declare a counting variable. Okay, then count is equals to count plus 1. Then sum is equal to sum plus A. Okay, like this. Then once loop until count is equal to 10. Okay, like that. So after that, after everything, we need txt sum.text to show text sum is equal to, we need it to show the sum, the calculated sum. Okay, But however, we need limiting parameters. The question instructed us to work with 10 positive integers only, so we need a parameter so that it will not loop if the number is negative. Okay, so in the meantime, before I go further, let's just test this one if it runs well. So I'm gonna click start. Okay, I'm going to be entering 1. Okay, so that is our input box. 10. So it loops for 10 times. I entered once for 10 times. There we have it. Our answer is 10. So the first part is done. Now we need to focus on the second part, restricting for only positive integers. Okay, so let's use an if statement. Okay, so we need this, we need it just below. If a is less than 0, that's why it's negative, then mystery box please enter only positive integers. Okay. Okay, I forgot the closing bracket. Please enter only positive integers. Then this repeats. Then else that is if everything is okay, whereby a is greater than 10, add. So there's no reason for this to be here. Okay, so in other words, we are saying we get our number. Then if the number is, this is a mistake, if the number is less than 10, okay, if the number is less than 10, that means it will be negative, so please enter only positive integers. Then the input box shows again. Okay, then else, that is if a is greater than 10, we skip to count plus 1 sum plus a, which means okay, let's just run to test it. Okay, before I run it, after we enter a number here, what's happening? Because there's nothing down below here. Okay, let's just remove this statement. Yes, like that. This will make more sense. Okay, let me explain my code. We are saying to get a, our number, using the input box. If a is less than 0, which means it's negative, message box is going to output please enter only positive integers. So the else part is going to be ignored. Then the loop will just repeat, but this time count was not incremented, so it did not count. Yes, we did loop, but it did not count, so we will still have our 10 times. Okay, then if the number entered is positive, that is when we need to count. We'll count the step, and some will edit. Okay, so now let's test it. Okay, start. Okay, I'm going to enter 1 1, then -1, and we leave an error. Please put positive integers on. Okay, now it shows again. I'm going to put another one, then again another 3, -3. Please put on positive integers. Okay, then another one, 10. So the sum of the ones which I've entered equals to 10, but the loop happened for more than 10 times, but the other times did not count because my A was negative. Okay, so thank you all for listening. Please kindly like and subscribe. Thank you.